Alright guys, today we got a 2016 Hyundai Veloster. Couple little things. One of the things they're kind of notorious and known for, the side moldings that we have to pop off. Luckily, these ones, unlike the last video you guys saw with the Flex where they disintegrate in your hands when you take them off, Hyundai actually designed these a little bit stronger to where they're reusable. They do have a screw hidden at the bottom with a little cap over it. They're dug down in between here. Something you got to be aware of when you're doing this guy. But like I said, they did a really good job at designing this. They're reusable. The clips are reusable. If for whatever reason the clip does break, we do have spare clips that we put in for the customer. That way you don't end up with that rattling noise that you get sometimes when people replace windshields. Other than that, we already got the cowling off, the wipers off. We're ready to cut it out, and prep the new glass, and glue it in. Let's get it.
Hey Matt, what are you doing?
We are taking care of very small scratches. Not necessarily what we put in, but also ones that have been here from previous installs. When you trim the urethane, sometimes it's inevitable. You're going to end up scratching it because you are trimming the urethane. But in order to rectify that situation, so it seals it and prevents rust.
Rust? This is a 2000 what?
2016. Would be surprised the amount of 2017s, 18s, sometimes even 19s that have come after getting your replacement done and there is no primer on scratches underneath the glass. And that is going to cause a huge issue if you like your car and you want it to last a long time. Use primer. It's not that hard.